First, we need an Arduino UNO board. Second, we need a moisture sensor. Third, we need a DC water pump. Fourth, we need a relay module. Fifth, we need a HW battery. Next, we need a screwdriver. Next, we need some jumper wires. Next, we need a 5V DC adapter. Next, we need a USB cable. First, we need a Arduino UNO and a moisture sensor. Connect the VCC of the moisture sensor to the 3.3V of the Arduino. Next, connect the ground pin of the moisture sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino. Next, connect the digital output pin of the moisture sensor to the pin number 6 of the Arduino. Next, take a relay module and Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the relay module to the 5V of the Arduino. Next, connect the ground pin of the relay module to the ground pin of the Arduino. Next, connect the IN pin of the relay module to pin number 3 of the Arduino. Next, take a relay module and a water motor. Connect the negative of the water motor to normally closed pin of the relay module. Next, take a battery cap. Connect the negative of a battery cap to the common terminal of the relay module. Next, join the battery caps and the motor's positive together. Next, take a battery and connect it with a battery cap. Now our project is completed. Use 5V adapter to give power supply.